Hi, I'm Erin with the Oregon Department of Revenue with tips on how to make estimated payments through Revenue Online. There are two ways. One is through an account as a registered user, and the other is as a non-registered Revenue Online user. We suggest using an account because it's quicker, more comprehensive, provides a list of payments you've made, and much more. To create a Revenue Online account, please see our YouTube walkthrough of that process. In this video, we will show non-registered users how to make a payment using both checking or savings account and debit or credit cards without logging in. Here's more about it.
You can access Revenue Online through the Department of Revenue website at oregon.gov/DOR. Once there, select Revenue Online from the menu bar at the top of the page. To make an estimated payment without logging into an account, scroll down to Quick Links and select Make a Payment. The next page asks which method of payment you'd like to use. The first option is from a checking or savings account, for which you'll need your bank routing number and account number. The second option is from either a credit or debit card. For a credit or debit payment, the processing company charges a 2.4% fee. If you'd rather not pay the fee, select the checking or savings method. Payment made through a checking or savings account can be scheduled for a future date, while payments made by a credit or debit card can only be for same-day payments. Neither option allows for recurring payments, so each of your estimated payments will need to be made individually. First, we'll show you how to make a credit or debit payment, and then how to make a checking or savings payment. This is the page where you'll enter your account information. You'll select Individual for the first drop-down menu, then SSN or ITIN from the second. Next, you'll type in your SSN or ITIN, last name, first name, phone number, and email. Use a valid email to receive a transaction confirmation after the payment has been submitted. Double-check the information entered for accuracy, and then hit Next. Since this is an estimated payment, you won't have a payment voucher with a media number. Select No, and then hit Next. This is where to indicate the type of payment and where it gets applied. For account type, choose Personal Income Tax from the drop-down menu. For payment type, choose Estimated Payment, and for filing frequency, select Annual. Then, type in the 4-digit year where you want the estimated payment applied. And at the bottom, enter your payment amount twice. The system will display the vendor service fee for your review before continuing on with the payment. If you decide you do not want to pay the service fee, go ahead and hit the previous button to go back and select the checking savings option. If you're okay with the service fee, click Next. This summary screen will show the payment amount, service fee, tax account type, tax year the payment is to be applied to, and the payment type. If you need to make changes, select the previous button to go back and make edits. To go forward, select the Enter Credit or Debit Card Information button. This link will take you to the card processor's website to complete the payment. This page pulls limited information from Revenue Online for non-registered Revenue Online users. It shows the payment amount, service fee, and the total charge in the upper right corner. You need to enter your name, address, phone number, email to proceed with the payment. Be sure to use a valid email. Make sure the address you enter is the same address your credit or debit card has on file. We often see rejected payments because of an address mismatch. Once you've entered all the required information, select Next. This page is where you enter your card information. Please be advised we only accept MasterCard, Visa, and Discover. After entering the card information, hit Next. This will bring up a CAPTCHA section which you need to complete before you can continue to submit the payment. After you hit Submit, this page pops up. Don't hit the back button or close the page. It doesn't usually take too long for the payment to be submitted. Once the payment is submitted, the payment page will close and you'll be taken back to Revenue Online where you'll see a request code. Please keep the code in case you need to ask questions about your payment. And be advised, payments can take up to 10 days to fully process. If the payment does not show on your transaction statement after 10 days, contact your card holder to see if there was an issue. That's it for a credit or debit card payment. Now for a checking or savings payment for those without a Revenue Online account. As a reminder, we've gone to Revenue Online, clicked on Make a Payment, and are now selecting Pay Now with checking or savings. This is the page where you'll enter your account information. You'll select Individual for the first drop-down menu, then SSN or ITIN from the second. Next, you'll type in your SSN or ITIN, last name, first name, phone number, and email. Be sure to use a valid email to receive a transaction confirmation after the payment has been submitted. Double-check the information entered, and then hit Next. Since this is an estimated payment, you won't have a payment voucher with a media number. Select No, and then Next. This is where to indicate the type of payment and where it gets applied. For account type, choose Personal Income Tax from the drop-down menu. For payment type, choose Estimated Payment, and for filing frequency, select Annual. Then type in the 4-digit year where you want the estimated payment applied. Double-check the selected options, and then hit Next. Here, you'll provide your payment information and payment account. In the Payment Channel column, enter your bank account routing number. Your bank name will populate underneath the routing number. If it does not, double-check to make sure the routing number is correct. Next, enter your account number twice to ensure there are no typos. Then you'll select the account type that corresponds with the bank details you've entered. In the right-hand column, choose the payment date. You can select today's date or a future date for the payment. If you select a future date, please make note of the payment date to ensure your account has funds to cover the payment amount. Next, enter the amount you wish to pay and then enter it again as confirmation that you do intend to pay that amount. Now go ahead and hit Next. This summary shows that you're making a checking or savings payment and the amount of your payment. Please verify this is the amount you intend to pay. If the payment amount is correct, go ahead and click on the Submit button. A pop-up will appear with a statement confirming the amount you wish to pay. Be sure to read the statement and then enter your email twice. This acts as the signature authorizing the payment. Then select OK. This confirmation page shows a summary of your payment along with a request code. Please keep a copy of this for your records. If you need to call about the payment in the future, the request code can help us locate the payment quickly. Please be advised, payments can take up to 10 days to process. If the payment does not come out of your account after 10 days, contact your bank to see if there was an issue.